Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at MathKook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, use factor theorem to determine if x plus 2 is a factor of f of x equals x to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 4. So they are telling us to specifically use the factor theorem. What is the factor theorem? Here it is. If x minus c is a factor of f of x, then f of c equals 0. All right, so that means we need to find f of c. Well, what is c in this case? Since we're dividing by x plus 2, c is going to be the opposite because there's a negative here. So c, right over here, is going to be negative 2. And another way you can find that, I always tell my students, just set this here, x plus 2, equal to 0, and then solve for x. So if you did that, here's what we would get. The 2's cancel. X equals negative 2. All right, so c or x equals negative 2. So that's what we're going to plug in into our function. So let's go ahead and do that and see what we get. So we're going to f of, and then I'll plug it in red here, just so you can see wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in negative 2. All right, so there's our terms there. So now negative 2 to the fourth, so that's just negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So there's 4 of them. So that means you'll get positive 16, and then negative 2 squared is 4 times 3, which is positive 12 minus 4. All right, we simplify this. 16 plus 12 gives us 28 minus 4, which gives us 24. All right, so is this 0? No, because remember, in order for x minus c to be a factor of f of x, f of c must equal 0. But we don't have 0. So we'll say since f of negative 2 does not equal 0, that means x plus 2 is not a factor of, we'll just write here, of f of x. All right, so there is our answer. So we'll go ahead and box that. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit MathKook.com. Thanks for watching.